Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is now here, surprisingly in my opinion. You guys have 4 colors to choose from. There purple, matte, graphite, and cream color options. 2 storage options, 128 gigs for $599.99 or 256 gigs, $659.99. So that is pretty cool that Verizon is offering both storage options. So yeah, let me get this out of the way here. So there is the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. It looks like the Galaxy S23, obviously. So design-wise, it looks like the Galaxy S23 series, obviously. So if you guys want a Galaxy S device but don't want to pay a whole lot for it, the Fan Edition is the phone for you to check out. So that is front and back of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Y'all guys got your whole punch front facing camera there, which is kind of hard to see because it has a black background. Earpiece, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. Triple camera system in the back. Camouflage Samsung logo there on the back. There's the back triple camera system, camouflage Samsung logo. Right side power button and volume keys. There it is again. The back anyway, very nice looking phone. There's the front. And yeah. So the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is 3.01 inches in width, 6.22 inches in height. It has 310 hours of standby time. It has 19.86 hours of usage time on 5G. It has a 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus, f1.8 aperture, telephoto 8 megapixel telephoto camera, 3 times optical image stabilization, autofocus f2.4 aperture, and it also has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with a fixed focus f2.2 aperture. Of course, it has a camera flash. It has Portrait Pro, Pro Video, Single Take, Night Mode, Food Panorama, Super Slow Motion, Hyperlapse Portrait Video, Director's View camera. So pretty cool features there. It says, get more out of your passions with the phone that's designed to elevate your everyday, whether you are binge watching shows or capturing shots for social. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is jam-packed with features that help you get more out of whatever you're into, including a long-lasting battery, a premium processor, a smooth and strong display, a triple lens camera, and more. Paired with Verizon 5G broadband network, the network America relies on, that right? Dazzling and smooth display. The impressive display of Galaxy S23 Fan Edition makes your content scroll smoothly and look amazing, while adaptive vision booster automatically adjusts screen brightness based on the surrounding light levels to keep your eyes happy. Plus, strong gilded glass help reduce scratches on your display. Epic battery life. The amped up battery gives you the power and the smarts to help you get ahead and stay there. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition intuitively manages your usage to conserve energy on its own. Share, stream, watch, and connect whenever you want with the phone that's ready. Super fast charging. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition keeps your focus on what matters and Galaxy S23 Fan Edition keeps you focused on what matters and off the battery bar with a battery that supports super fast charging, wireless charging, and power save. You can power up quickly and get back to what you love, right? So pretty sweet there. High resolution camera that captures stunning details. It says create share-worthy content with the high resolution camera of Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. With the Super HDR, it's easy to capture the details that make your shots incredibly lifelike. Capture crisp images no matter the lighting. With night photography, picture perfect shots are just a tap away with AI powered editing tools, and nothing is too far away with 30 times space. Alright. Do it all processing power. Multitask is a piece of cake with a premium processor. Multitasking is a piece of cake with a premium processing power you can expect from the Samsung Galaxy. Feel free to live stream edit videos and boost your social content creation with less worry of slowing down, right? Experience seamless connectivity under Galaxy Connected Experience. Connect your Galaxy S23 Fan Edition to your Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition with ease to do more on a bigger screen with the activities you love. Quick Share makes it easy to send even the largest files to yourself and others in a flash. Pairing the Galaxy Buds Fan Edition allows you to conveniently control your playlist or answer calls with the tap of your buds. So a lot of Fan Edition devices being thrown out here. I'm talking about the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition in this video, but they also mentioned the Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition and the Galaxy Buds Fan Edition, so that's pretty interesting. So, yeah. Specs: the Galaxy S23. See, I hate that. Sorry about that. So, anyways, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is 6.22 inches in height, 3.01 inches in width, and 0.32 inches in depth. The Galaxy S23 Fan Edition weighs 7.37 ounces. Of course, it takes Type-C charging. You have graphite, mint, purple, and cream color options. It has aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass 5. It has a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display. You can adjust refresh rate from 60 Hz to 120 Hz, which is pretty cool. It has a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, 310 hours of standby time, 19.86 hours of usage time with 5G, 4500 mAh battery. It has fast charging, wireless charging, power save, front-facing camera, 10 megapixels, fixed focus, f2.2 aperture, rear camera, 50 megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus, f1.8 aperture, telephoto 8 megapixel camera with 3 times zoom, optical image stabilization, autofocus, f2.4 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide, fixed focus, f2.2 aperture. Camera mirror, as I mentioned earlier, it has portrait, per video, single take, night mode, food panorama, super slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, and director's view. The front and rear camera records in 4K 60, so that's pretty cool. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, octa-core fingerprint sensor, which is I'm pretty sure it's on the display fingerprint, and then you have face unlock. Bluetooth 5.3. It has Bixby and has Google Assistant as your voice assistant, so that's pretty cool. internet compatibility is there, other accessibility settings. It has 5G nationwide, 5G wideband, and Force 4G, coming around the network, mobile device, site ratings, Wi-Fi, hotspot, Android 13, with Wi-Fi 5.1. There is no external storage, so keep that in mind. So it's 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigs, or 256 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys didn't have with your Galaxy S23 FE Edition, Verizon said to help you out with that. So it said Verizon Online Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So great tool to check out if you guys need that with your phone. So what comes with the phone is, of course, your Galaxy S23 FE Edition pre-installed SIM card, Type-C to Type-C cable. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick. You guys will also get a quick start guide and terms and conditions that you send and stuff in the box. So there. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Edition is now here at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get like a flagship experience but don't want to pay the flagship price, the Galaxy S23 FE Edition is the phone for you. It looks very nice, has great specs and features, definitely worth checking out. Very cool. So yeah, man, the Galaxy S23 FE Edition is now here, so check it out now if you guys are interested. Definitely worth checking out if you guys want a flagship phone but don't want to pay every $1,000 to get one. The Galaxy S23 FE Edition is the phone for you to check out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.